One of our officers saw this vehicle coming across the bridge.
A short police chase.
It actually ended up making a U-turn coming off the bridge over here off of Sprague. Started accelerating.
Ended with an ugly collision.
I saw him. Started coming through the intersection. I knew it was going to happen.
The Jaguar police were after wrecked Richard Eng's truck.
I'm okay. Got a little pain in the side there.
But for officers, that was just the beginning.
2 people got out of the suspect vehicle and ran.
They jumped out of the truck. They had guns and took off.
Each in a different direction.
I didn't know, I didn't know what to do.
The one that went west led a mad dash.
I just heard the crash and looked out my window. Then I could see the officers were obviously chasing somebody.
The wanted man brought cops over Jeannie Distel's fence.
Scared, we live here.
Moments later,
we saw there was, police running down this street like mad.
He darted by Duff Evans' porch.
Oh, yeah, we were freaked out, but we really didn't know. It could have been much scarier.
A quarter mile down First Avenue, the perp broke into a house and forced a wrestling match with an officer.
They were essentially toe-to-toe going at it.
He tased the cop
in the neck.
But backup arrived in time and Spokane police got their man before more damage was done.
This could have been way, way more serious.